The frame clamp assembly is permanently fixed to the wheelchair. The mounting arm slots into this. Apply the brakes before attaching the mount. Slide the mounting arm into the receiver on the wheelchair. Turn the blue locking nut. Swing the arm up and over. Slide the communication aid down onto the plate until you hear the locking pin click. Watch the locking pin click into place. To remove the communication aid, pull out the locking pin and slide off the mount. To remove the mount, swing the arm up and then forwards. Undo the blue locking nut and lift the mount from the chair.